So we have an algorithm that we use to invest. So Elon Musk has an algorithm to make stuff. We have an algorithm about how we invest. And the algorithm is to question everything, about, take nothing for granted, to invest in people, to believe that inflation is going to devalue your currency inexorably. And the reason for it is every government, in order to remain in power, has to give the people who they govern something, and they give them as much as they can, and keep as much for themselves as they can. But the idea is that inflation just keeps going at 4 or 5% a year. So we have the idea about owning it. Own things, don't buy and sell, own things. And own things you can own for a really long time. So question everything, invest in people, own things. And then exceptional takes time. It just takes a long time. Everyone has, in a short-term oriented world, everyone wants to know about the quarter. Everyone wants to know every time an earnings report comes out and you do a little bit better than it's supposed to, stocks go up. Every time it goes a little bit worse, stocks go down. So that's what everyone's focused on because they don't want to lose their jobs. They got really cool jobs. They want to keep them. What we do is we don't worry about that. Since we have this good long-term track record, we are just able to just plow ahead and make investments with a significant portion of our portfolio in companies that we know aren't going to make money for some period of time because they're investing in themselves. And I analogize it to people with whom I work, say that, look, this is like when you're building a hotel, and while the hotel is being built, nobody wants to invest in it until they're sure that it's going to be successful. We're investing at that period of time. And then after it opens, because we have confidence in the research we do, that's when we make a lot of money, but by then it's too late. So we divide our portfolios, segmenting into some part of the portfolio, 25, 30%, 40%, where it's growth companies that are growing very fast. Then we have maybe we have 60, 65% of our portfolios invested in companies that are consistently growing double digits. And then we have 10 or 15% of our portfolios that are investing in companies that are that we know we're not making money now, but we're going to make a ton of money in the future, just like we're investing in Elon Musk when he was, when he's building these cars they're going to drive all by themselves, or when he's investing in spaceships that you can use over and over again, and creating the ability to give us Starlink, where every square inch of Earth, of planet Earth, is going to be covered with communications, and therefore, ultimately, you're going to be able to have people educated, and you're going to have more equal distribution of wealth. So with that, I would go on. And then what we're doing is oh yeah, one more thing. Other people in my business, for the most part, what they want to do is they want to make as much money as they can, as fast as they can, so they don't have to do this anymore. I love what I do. And so I still want to keep doing it forever, obviously. And but our mission, that's the mission of other people, make it as fast as you can. And what our mission is that what we're trying to do is change lives. We're changing the lives of the people with whom we work, and we're changing lives of the people who are like my parents, who are middle class, who were never able to invest, and give them an opportunity to have the same opportunities that people who are wealthier have always had. And of course, you have to have a fairly significant business to be able to do that. So our goal is to build a significant business so we can keep going to our mission.